Hello everyone, welcome back to HScodehub. So today I'm gonna demonstrate you how you can remove the Salesforce reports and dashboards which are private and owned by inactive users. So this is basically a part of technical depth in Salesforce. So yeah, let's see how we can do that. So before the execution, you'll have to have this Salesforce Inspector Reloaded extension installed in your Chrome browser. So I think most of the admins and developers are pretty much familiar with this extension. All right. So if you don't have it, you can just search on the Google, and from the Google Chrome Web Store, you can download and install it. Just simple. Okay, so now I'm in my org. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open my Salesforce Inspector. As you can see here, this arrow button, you'll have to click this one, and from here you'll have to select data export. Okay, so now as you can see, I have the dashboard command already written in here. So what I'm doing, I'm selecting ID, owner name, owner.isactive, the developer name of the dashboard, and one more crucial thing, dashboard result refresh date. Okay, this means actually when is the last time the dashboard was refreshed. Okay, so this will help us to identify whether the dashboard was recently refreshed or it was like really long time it was refreshed. So it will like help us to justify whether it is safe to delete or not. And it is from the dashboard object and using scope allPrivate. So this is the most crucial part of this SOQL. Okay, so what I'm saying, we'll have to pull all the private dashboards from that particular user, and the user owner.isactive is false. That means only the user who are inactive in your org, those user might have some dashboards, right? And those dashboards are only private to them. So if I summarize it, basically those dashboards are no longer touched by anyone else because those are already private to them and those users are inactive. So this should be safe to delete all the dashboard. It will help to reduce some storage. I mean, reduce some garbage data, garbage dashboards in your org. It will increase your storage. So it will help us to increase some storage and remove some garbage dashboards from your org, right? So after copying pasting the SOQL, I'm giving this into the description below of this video. All right, you can just copy and paste. We'll have to run this button, run export. As you can see, there are lots of data, and what you'll have to do, you'll have to select this one, delete records. Delete records, the object is dashboard, and it will take some time. From here you can see the red button. You'll have to remove all the reds, and all you need is the ID. ID mapping is fine for the deletion. So you'll have to just keep skipping everything else. Then you can see there are 99 queued. Run delete and it will ask for confirmation. You'll just hit delete. If I go to the right, status is processing. As you can see, succeeded. 99 dashboards were deleted. That means you just got rid of useless 99 dashboards from your Salesforce org. So now let me show you how we can do the same thing for the reports. Let's go back and I will copy paste the SOQL for report. So it's pretty much the same. Owner ID, owner name, is active, developer name, and report using scope allPrivate where owner.isactive equals to false. Okay, and one thing we can add in here, yeah, we can add this one, last run date. So this is basically when was the last report was run. This report, the particular report you are pulling, when it was last run. Okay, and but I think we are already using the scope, which is allPrivate. That means we are pulling all the private reports. Those are only visible to the users. Okay, and users are currently inactive. That means Even if we don't consider this field, we should be safe. All right. But yeah, we can just pull this column just to be sure. Like maybe we need to do some justification. Maybe someone else will be using that particular user. We will be again activating that particular user once again and pull up those report, make those reports from private to public, things like that. In that case, you may add this column and make your justification based on the situation. Yeah, so enough talk, let's hit run export. As you can see, I have around 1205 records and all the owners are currently inactive. So what I will do, I will just go blindly click this delete records. I don't care because I'm doing it in a sandbox. Owner ID skip, everything else skip other than the ID field. Then I will hit run delete. Some deletion might fail because some of the reports might be referenced in the dashboards. In that case, we will have to figure out which dashboards are containing those reports. Okay, that's a different story. For now, I will skip that. As you can see, we have successfully deleted this much and 83 reports were failed. So this is fine. We got rid of most of the unused reports which were private to the users which were inactive. Yeah, so thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe this video. And if you have any suggestions, any compliments or anything, you can just put it into the comment. Thank you.